If you want to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung Galaxy A05, just open Settings. Now move into Notifications, then go to Do Not Disturb mode. And as you can see right here, you can simply turn it on and off by clicking on the switcher. But of course, you can set up for how long you want to turn it on. So as default is set for until you turn it off, but you can also get it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You can also ask every time. So now when I'm gonna tap on it, it will actually ask me for how long I want to use this mode. Here we can also use some schedules. So we got the sleeping schedule every day from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. You can also add multiple schedules if you want. You can set them up to your preferences. You can set even the custom name. And below, you can still allow something during this Do Not Disturb mode. So, calls and messages, app notifications, alarms and sounds, and you can even hide notifications.